What up YouTube, what up guys, girls, how y'all doing today? It is currently Saturday morning and I'm going to put the diffuser on. We did the side skirts the other day, so today we're going to do the diffuser. It's pretty simple, I feel like it is. I didn't look up any guides because it's kind of self-explanatory. I don't have to take off the rear bumper. If most, I'm just going to have to drop the axle back and then fit the diffuser, drill the holes, and put it on. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it. Hopefully it'll be short and quick. I got a titanium axle back, so that bitch gonna be light. I ain't gotta work too hard. It's gonna be great. She weigh like 5 pounds, if that. Alright, welcome to under the rear end of the M3. So, what we did was, we grabbed a 17mm and we removed these bolts from these clamps right here that are holding on the, this part, the muffler, to this. So, I figured instead of going all the way down there, removing those clamps and trying to get those clamps on, it'd be easier just to do it right here. Now the hardest part for this is going to be these hangers right here. They're going to be okay, so we got our 14 and we removed the nuts from the hangers right here, these hangers on both sides right there as well. Now I got my 5/16 or 8mm. I removed these screws. And then as you can see, I pull this down. I can pull this down pretty good way to give myself some room. And I can remove that hanger up there. Those are 14s as well. So I got my extensions on. And I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so we got it taped off. Those seem like the critical spot. Those are the spots that I'm not going to be able to drill through. So I'm going to put it there. I didn't put it in the middle right there because that's where the exhaust is, and the heat from the exhaust will just melt the tape and it's kind of pointless. So these 5 points should be good to help keep the bumper secure. Now what I'm gonna do is get back under here and finesse around and figure it out. So, bada boom, bada bing, bop bop. It's on there. I'm happy. We got it on, guys. Now we just gotta drill the holes everywhere. I gotta find the drill bit. Oh man. It's finally coming together. Finally coming together. I know I got them high notes. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is drill, screw, and bolt everything in. And we should be done after that. I got my new little drill bit too. So, put the exhaust back on, all that stuff. Okay, so what up guys? So let me show you what I did. So pretty much I'm gonna do the same here on these pieces, but I replaced, what is it at? I replaced this screw, this little screw thing right here, with that, and I removed the little clamp thing, whatever this is. I removed that, so pretty much I replaced it there, I drilled right there. So I'll have 6 holding it on plus the 3M tape, and this thing should be good. If the 3M tape comes off for any reason, these are gonna stay on because these aren't backing out no matter what. They're gonna be in there good. So let me go ahead and button everything up. I need to put the exhaust on before I can get to this part, and then once I get the exhaust on, we'll be good to go. So we had a bit of change of plans. I had to go over to Advanced Auto, which is luckily right across the street, and get some replacement nuts, because these rusted piece of shits were like, they were just trying to get stuck on everything. Like already, like motherfuck, look, that 14 is not coming down right there. That 14 socket, no, I can't get the nut out of it, and I don't have a clamp to use a punch to punch it out, so I'm SOL there. But hopefully I won't have that issue with these new ones, because those rusted ones are no good. Alright, let's get back to business. now we're done. Yeah, so that's that. So I'm gonna lower the car and take some pictures, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah, that's it. I'm tired as fuck. I need to go get food. I haven't eaten since 2 a.m. last night. So anyways, enjoy, guys.